This really makes me smile. What is going on, everybody, and welcome. Nobody, let me tell you something, absolutely no one can stop the upcoming Bitcoin ETF approvals that's going to happen in the next week, in the next few days. Just happening, everybody. And all the crypto army, guys, we're all just loaded with bags in crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the rest, and we're gonna make a lot of money. I'll tell you by the end of this video how things are doing right now, the latest updates, because yesterday we got 4.5 trillion asset manager Fidelity registering their securities with the SEC. As we know, they were already a player. They were all, following in order, in line with the Securities Exchange Commission requirements. Now we're getting Grayscale. Now we're getting BankX doing the same exact thing. And well, what does this mean? It means that we're just getting closer. And no matter what Matrix Sports says or another person say, we're just gonna get a massive approval, and chances are we're gonna go high. And I don't want you to lose those opportunities to make a lot of money and to live the volatility, because it's just gonna happen. I'm gonna tell you some predictions with the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I'm gonna tell you some predictions with stock money lizards, which are great for analysis. At the end of the day, take the chance. Don't wait, because what happened yesterday, just 24 hours ago, price went to 40,000. What is the price right now? $43,000, and it's gonna go higher as we're getting close in the gap. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells for all the latest huge breaking crypto updates. Because at the end of the day, we say it like it is, and I'm pretty positive this is barely the beginning. One way to fully understand this, and this is just adding the Bitcoin ETF approval, taking in consideration of the Bitcoin halving and how things are moving. This is the second halving. What happened? Boom. Third one. What happened? Boom. Fourth one. What happened? Barely. It's barely going to happen. Do you want to wait for the price to be at what? I don't know how many trillions you want, right? I mean, it's up to you, but where do you want to finally understand that Bitcoin is here to stay? Because even Jim Cramer said it cannot be killed. It's a technological marvel, and it must have more recognition from the people. Everything that I've said right now is facts. It's there. You can verify it with me. So Bitcoin is going to reach about $10 trillion in market cap. That's going to put it at a price that not many of us can conceive, but it's going to happen. Therefore, I mean, whether you're going to buy altcoins or Bitcoin, you're going to be financially wealthy, right? But altcoins is the way to go if you want financial freedom in this upcoming cycle. Right now, we're looking at 1.65 trillion, everybody, a decrease of 5% in the last, over the last 5 days. That was what CoinMarketCap had. But as soon as I refresh, it's positive, right? Because I knew in the price right now is positive. And from the way that I see it right here, Bitcoin is trying to continue running. You see? So if you bought, let's say around here, you are 6% higher. You did not panic. You did not FUD. You did not paper hand. You follow the recommendation that we were talking since the last 24 hours when I made a video about Cronos, when I made a video about Bitcoin saying not sell to whales. This is what happened. Now, Van Eck files registration of securities. This is a trillion level player. Obviously, Grayscale trillion level player. And what this all means is that applicants, dozen of them, right? They want to get their Bitcoin ETF approved. The registration appears to be a crucial step in the promise. Moreover, it indicates the approval is all more likely to be heading into the next week's deadline, which is about January the 5th to January the 10th, which we like it in just a few more days left. Now, 2023 closing months, the anticipation is obviously growing, and there's more recent, rumors that rejection could be granted for more than a dozen applications. That optimism appears to be carrying over in a new year, guys. Can rejection occur? Not for all of them, and if it does for one or so, it's perfect because the price is gonna crash a little bit. That's when we can come in and eat the dips. Now, the process for several prospective issuers has carried out on a crucial step. Aligning with that, everyone is registering their securities with the SEC for spot Bitcoin ETF. So that is the race in the near few days, final days. Both asset management firms, Fidelity, Grayscale, have completed similar filings with the SEC, and Goldman Sachs is some of the entities that are seeking vital roles in this, you know, products basically. So we have J.P. Morgan, you have Goldman Sachs, you have Coinbase, different financial institutions that are wanted to get a piece of what's going to end up happening, right? Specifically, it had sought to be the AP of the both BlackRock and aforementioned Grayscale ETFs. Everyone, here it is. Moreover, industry experts have maintained that a target date for such approvals will be between 8th and the 10th. Either way, the deadline should arrive with a decision having made. So no more waiting. And right now, it's the 4th, meaning next week. Next week, that's it. Next week is when we're going to be live nonstop, and you're going to see massive green candles, massive red candles. You're going to see everything in about a week to go, guys. Price of Bitcoin maintains solidified in the 40 to $44,000. It was awesome to see Bitcoin passing 45 for a while because it just means that we're all ready. FYI, it's all greed. No matter what happened yesterday, is people are still greedy, and obviously with great reasoning and understanding. I told my community, right, in the few lives that we are doing right now, obviously, that the way I see Bitcoin ending this 4-month period, 3-month period to the Bitcoin halving is roughly around the yellow range hold. So we're going to be looking around the 40 to the 60, $70,000, right? And a lot of people might say, wow, that's bullish. Well, I know, because I think the Bitcoin ETF approvals are going to be massive to give us some god level candles, right? So we can touch those levels. And as soon as we have the halving, we might have some retracements. That will be the last sell the news event to finally start pumping back again and take everything to the next level for a Bitcoin bull market. There it is, everybody. And last, of course, like I told you at the very beginning, prepare for about 500 days of all-time high rally bull market after the halving period. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe for more updates like this. This is what's going on. Take a look at the links down below. Join up to $5,000 on BingX. Join crypto.com. Join the community. I got you all there. Have an amazing time, and thanks for watching. Peace.